Welcome to the Built by Rich channel. Check out the video and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get it. Welcome back. Today I am on my way to Society headquarters in Ontario. It's about a 2-hour and 40-minute drive because of traffic. It's normally about an hour and 45 to 2 hours, but today seems to be a day with traffic. It is 95 degrees outside and my alternator is struggling. I have the fan for the engine to keep it cool, as well as the air conditioning blasting. So yeah, not having fun as far as the alternator. So I definitely need to upgrade that. All right, we made it out here at Society headquarters, and Oscar over here is pulling out his Z. That way we can pull my Z in, and then we can install the carbon fiber cowl. So yeah, that was a drive, man. Whew, it's hot. Whew. But the car made it. A lot of good things and a couple things that I need to work on. So all right. Let's get this going. What are we doing, Oscar?
Alright, so we're going to be switching out the cowl on this. We're going to go from the OEM cowl to the new VintageCarbon GT smooth cowl. It's going to have the wiper holes, so we can still access the wipers. Want to take advantage, get rid of all the center part right here, give it a little smooth look, put a little bit less of the water in there. So it doesn't really make much of a difference. Just accumulates water in between. And we're trying to remove as a long-term the rust and everything in there, give it a clean look. Add some more carbon fiber to Rich's car. Since we already got a couple of things on here. We got the tail light panels, we got the louvers, and we got the what else we got on here? We got the air dam, we got the side blades. So we want to keep everything consistent with the carbon fiber touches. Keep it as clean as possible.
Easier for you? Take that off for now.
It's a pretty easy install. Basically, all you gotta do is remove your old ones, make the holes on the new ones, since the holes have to be made on there.
It's literally 4 screws. Well, 8 if you're taking off the lids. So 8 screws, and that's basically it. Slide it out, put it in, and you're done. See, the best part is I got Oscar working on it for me. I don't have to do it.
Be good, be good. Because that kind of got us slipping out of the nut.
this out right here. Which one? Oh. Taking off the lid to make it a little easier. Good, nice and flush. Getting ready to drill the holes. And that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. If you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. I'm trying to get to that 5,000 subscriber goal. You know, you can keep up with the content. A lot of new things coming up. A lot of cool things coming up as well. And yeah, thank you guys for your support. And also I want to thank Oscar at Society Vintage Carbon. If you guys are looking for any carbon fiber parts for your vintage Z or newer Zs. He has quite a bit of lineup for all those vehicles as well. Please go out and support him. He's been a big help with my build, and if you guys can support him, I would pretty much appreciate that. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.